Did you know that 2,000 years ago, a Roman poet described anxiety and depression better than most modern doctors? His name was Lucretius. And in 50 BC, he wrote something that could change how you see your fears today. He discovered that most human suffering comes from one thing, the fear of death. But here's what made him brilliant. He realized we're all made of atoms, just natural processes. No angry gods, no cruel fate. If everything is natural, what is there to fear? Lucretius taught people to focus on simple pleasures, a good meal, time with friends, a peaceful moment, not wild excess, just the basics that actually make us happy. He said our minds create most of our problems. Sound familiar? That's exactly what therapists tell us today. When you feel anxious, remember Lucretius. Your fears are often bigger in your head than in reality. The universe isn't out to get you, it's just atoms moving around. And that thought alone can set you free. Ancient wisdom, modern relief.